All right, today's topic 2.5 is exterior angles of polygons. Now, an exterior angle or angles are angles formed by a side of a polygon and the extension of an adjacent side. Okay, so let's do an example of a triangle. Okay, the three angles in the triangle are all interior, but if you take a side and extend it out further to the right here, we have an angle here that is called an exterior angle. It's outside. So this is an exterior angle. For each of the following polygons, draw all the exterior angles. So in a quadrilateral four-sided figure, if I extend this side out right here, okay, extend this side out this way, extend this one out this way, and this one out this way. Okay, you're going to get 1, 2, 3, 4 angles that are outside. Okay, likewise the hexagon. Okay, let's go ahead and extend each side out. So I'm going to go to the left each time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 angles. So how does the number of exterior angles compare to the number of sides of the polygon? Well, in the first figure, there's a quadrilateral has 4 sides. There's 4 exterior angles. Letter B, we have a hexagon, and there are 6 exterior angles. So how does the number of exterior angles compare to the number of sides? They're equal or the same. Okay, so they're equal. So what is the sum of the exterior angle and the adjacent interior angle? So if you're going to add the two angles together, notice they form a straight angle. So the two angles add up to 180. They're like a linear pair or supplementary. All right, so we have a formula to find the sum of the measures of the exterior angles. Okay, and the formula is sum of exterior is equal to, now it's not a fancy formula, it's always equal to 360. That's it. So if you have 5 sides, the outside angles all add up to 360. If you have 30 sides, all the outside angles add up to 360. So the sum of the exterior angles is always equal to 360. It never changes. Okay, so example number 2. Find the sum of the exterior angles of a undecagon. Okay, well, an undecagon has 11 sides. Now, I'm not going to draw the picture here, but I just know the answer is going to be 360 degrees because that's the formula. The sum of the exterior angles is 360 degrees. And the key here is the sum. Now, they can all be congruent, like a regular polygon, and it can be different, like a non-regular polygon. Okay, we have learned that a regular polygon is a polygon that is both equilateral with all sides congruent and equal angular with all angles congruent. You can find the measure of one exterior angle of a regular polygon by using the formula. Okay, so one exterior angle is equal to the sum of all the angles, which is 360, divided by the number of sides n. And that's it, 360 divided by the number of sides. So find the measure of one exterior angle of the undecagon described in example 2. Okay, well the sum of the exterior is 360. An undecagon has 11 sides. So we divide 360 by 11. Okay, you're going to get a repeating decimal, 32.72 repeating. So your answer would be about 32.7 degrees or 32.72 degrees. Okay, next example. The measure of an exterior angle of a regular polygon is 30. Find the number of sides. Well, if one angle is 30 degrees and it's a regular polygon, all the angles are 30 degrees outside. So because the sum of outside is 360, all you do is divide 360 by 30 degrees, and you should get the number of sides. So 360 divided by 30 gives you 12. So there are 12 sides. So you take the total degree sum, 360, divided by one angle, which are all congruent, and you get 12 angles in that polygon, which means it also has 12 sides. Okay, so I'm going to give you a name of the shape, a regular nonagon, and I want you to find the sum and each angle of interior and exterior. So the first question says, find the sum of the interior angles. Okay, so yesterday we talked about the formula n minus 2, and so nonagon has 9 sides times 180. So there were 7 triangles in a nonagon, and 7 times 180 is 1260 degrees. Now to get the measure of one interior angle, we take the sum 1260 and we divide it by the number of sides, 9, and you're going to get the interior angles are all 140 degrees. So one interior angle is 140 degrees, and all the interior angles are 140 degrees. Okay, next question, letter C. Find the sum of the exterior angles. Okay, that doesn't take much thought. It's 360, never changes. Now to find one exterior angle, you're going to take the sum 360 and divide that by 9 congruent angles, and you get 40 degrees. Okay, notice that the interior angle and the exterior angle of the regular polygon should be supplementary. They add to 180, and it does check out. 140 plus 40 is 180. Okay, so it says the measure of an interior angle of a regular polygon is 144. Find the number of sides. Okay, I'm going to show you 2 ways to do this. We did this yesterday. The formula was n minus 2 times 180 divided by n equals the measure, 144. So I told you yesterday to do a proportion, put it over 1, cross multiply. You get 144n, distribute to 180, equals 180n minus 360. Okay, subtract 180 from both sides. You get negative 36n equals negative 360. So n is equal to 10. The answer is 10. Okay, there is an easier way to do it. I'm going to show you that I think will save you some time. If you know the interior angle is 144 degrees, it's regular. All the interior angles are 144. So if you were to find the exterior angle, remember they form a linear pair, they're supplementary. So 180 minus 44, all the exterior angles are 36 degrees. So to find the number of sides, I could take the exterior sum, 360, and divide that by one angle, 36, and that also gives me 10 sides. So that's a quicker way to solve it, is just do 360 divided by exterior. So if you know the interior angle, subtract 180, get the exterior angle, and then just do 360 divided by the exterior angle, 36, and the answer is 10.